All right, Steve got it pool. We did this big giant renovation where we took a rectangle pool and we turned it into a big L-shaped pool with a grotto and everything like that. For now, we're gonna take a walk in. We got Josh, he's my daily partner that comes out and helps me every day. If Jelly Roll is watching, Jelly Roll, Josh wants a meet and greet with you, so make sure you hit us up so that you can meet the famous Josh. But let's go take a look at this pool. It's gonna get kind of loud. We'll keep the camera real close and I'll talk loud. There we go. Look at this. Big giant pool, big grotto. We got a little bench over there. Everything's custom here. We did a lot. We were here for what, 3 weeks, Josh? The whole job started where we came in and we took all these pavers out. We started trenching for our plumbing lines. We started excavating for the pool. You know, we can insert footage along the way of what it was like that got us to this point. Some of you may have already seen the short video, but this is going to be for the long video that I'm going to someday edit when we can do kind of like a before and after of this job. Jordan, really nice job today though, by the way. All right, so yeah, so we're all set. We're laid out for the stairs. This is the overdig on the stairs. We got a trench here that we're going to be digging out. And we got the pool all laid out. Right about now, we're going to be ripping this right out of here. Or you want to see some skilled excavator work? But it was a big challenging project, so we'll come this way and
there goes the fucking hair on my hand.
What?
Burnt myself.
Is he getting that?
Testing 4K, testing 4K.
Anywhere where there's a miter. Right, Joe?
Yep. Any pointed corners.
And we got to make sure that all the light thingies are accounted for. There's how many lights here? 5, 6 lights.
Yep.
So we got to make sure that all 6 of those things are accounted for when they come back. So we got our liners. Originally, there was just a set of 8-foot plastic stairs there, and the homeowner made a wise decision. We got a nice little set of Sundeck stairs there. nice brilliant Bahama liner. I believe that's what they call it. And basically, they're gonna fill it with a garden hose. So the vacuum's gotta stay running at all times until the water gets to that tape mark over there, which is roughly about 6 inches of water in the shallow end. And it's gonna take a while to get there, but you know, hey, we're starting a big renovation up in Vermont. Right after this one starting tomorrow, so we're gonna move right along, but I don't know what we're gonna do as far as how we're gonna put this video together. I might just be jabbering away, but that's it. I'm Steve Got a Pool. That's Josh. Behind the camera is Eric. We had Joe out there helping us today. We had Angel out there helping us. We had Yasmini helping us today. A lot of people came in and helped out on this job. Jordan, Tim, the Mickey crew. Big shout out to everybody. Morris, the truck drivers. Brian Giuliano was very involved as far as getting us to this point. And this pool might be in the 2026 Giuliano's Pools calendar. So if you want a calendar from Giuliano's Pools, hit me up. I might be able to get you one. You can always like Giuliano's Pools on Facebook and follow along with some of the videos that the owner Brian posts. But that's it, folks. We're out of here. We're on to the next one. And it was a big project, but I'm really glad we're all done with this one now. So that's it. Shut her down.
It looks pretty cool with all filled up with water. So real quick, we're just gonna take a little walk around the perimeter of this pool. And pretty much this pool is just about ready to start the pump and filter now. Looks like it could use a couple more inches of water. It's a little bit low, but we're gonna do our best to keep you all informed with what's going on with this video, or with this pool, I mean. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a big giant grotto out here, and I just snuck over here real quick because this job's not too far from my house, and I just kind of wanted to show you what the pool looks like, all full of water. This was a nice little project that we did, and I'm really happy with how everything came out. It looks really, really good. So right here is going to be the grotto, so that'll be kind of cool. But as you all know, I'm Steve Got a Pool, so don't forget to like and subscribe.